Yes, ejini Bakiga TV turinewe mwebare abakutureba amikutuyita abakutufollowinga Facebook, there is Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, mwebare nimukore chamani ejini program yawe nyamurungi The Hustle. Amazina ganje ni banyeta Draco the Brown Mukiga. Mwebare hati elizoba eji program tuinemu omushinja wa mani munonga aina mani no Mukiga no wahanuya no mweshongozi witu wakabare. I remember tumurebira ha platforms nyingi, tumurebira ha Bakiga Nation akazayo yakitera, twamureba ha Comedy Bliss naho akazayo yakitera ha Stage Joy yasharinje na Spice Dana. Tushatwa twamureba tukamureba ahampa hijeriho omunturire yabireri ha Pine. Omushijo aina mani no mweshongozi mulungi ainira karirungi mbwenu ntakashisho bwire bwingi na nyenda mbereke omushijo gunoha muberede. Omushijo guni bamweta Fact Zamani.
Yes ha abali biba Bakiga TV oguni Fact Zamani kakana ko wanyu nimwe bali kubaho, nimwe bali kutureba kandi nimwe bali mazima kusima obereza bwitu nka Bakiga TV, nimwe Bakiga TV nimwe bali kuneta nezo
nito twachira posting omushija wa mani muri Kigezi mu kibangu Kigezi okagitera wagita hansi
nimwe murabigamba
mazima abantu nibasima. So Fact Zamani ndaka shobire naenda tubuzo tuche namanya ba fans bani benda kumanya Fact Zamani ino mukazi no wankahi amazina geye no maya baserebu ni bamwina amazina ganye aguba abesire mukiri bato konga mwija mugahindura. So Fact Zamani amazina gawe genyine niga
amazina baranyita Asime Elton Mujukuru akakwa vumene rugundana kuga wahara ngira ngo ejo introduction namba
oriyo wabuhara hanuya
yamani.
So Fact Zamani tugambire ukatandikota who inspired you no warebire ukagira ngo mazima I want to be like this one ukakore samani kugira ngo ike hana hiwaika.
I was inspired by many things. Tina be inspired by only one thing. Guys, nkaba echa ntire mu kweshongo na ibintu byinshi munonga. Kuchira munonga ro mama wanje. My mom is one of the most inspiring things I have ever seen. Inspiring ufitira music ya inspiring actually akanijisa maraka from so akanijisa so fast yanijisa buri kimwe yanijisa maraka auto soprano bass yanijisa how to make good lyrics. Sometimes in one nyama lyrics zanje then nishana ba inspired by abandi beshongozi kukora kimanya like any other artist, any other young artist or inspired by other artists. So ngaba inspired by many artists by then akaro abeshongozi ngaba Michaelos ba Zizas yo Radiant Wizo, then abahiro aliyo ba Neo ba TI. So I was inspired by a couple of things.
When Fact Zamani was inspired by many people, and you said your mom
mom
akaba nakwandikire byeshongoro akaba nakwegesa maraka kandi wakabyegera.
This is a question ngora tikujangwara kwe okweshongwa ni talent, so nka inheriting her talent angakulira mu church choirs ngakulira ishomero. I used to lead choirs in ishomero, so nkakulira my life has been rotating around music, tukire mu music for the rest of my life.
So Fact Zamani hariho amakuru agakutambura mu town titwacenga jehongana manyike aba TV nitkunda kubuza munonga. So ekibuza ni mayaniwe nyenda nchikwe iro direct hariho tukakureba ukaba ryo mu Blue Talent Music. Is it Blue Talent? Blue Talent konkati ntubira ngo ryo mu Great Music Entertainment kandi katuri hariho omwojo ukaba no yeshongora nani bamwita Snaz titukamanya yagire tukahurira urugambo ngoba ngo bakamukoma konka titurishuwa so nire tushobore cyabireho kugira tumanye iwe kamunywani weye cyakabaho kicenyine exactly.
Cyo kwanza cyabiona wambuza Blue Talent Music, Great Music. Blue Talent Music kakura habwa mu Great Music. So chance nazi bindi bimwera kumubuza yobire muntu wenyine ko basabwa ibyo bibuzo yo kubera ari hanuya. He is the best person kubari nakabishobora because ingabaza kushobora cyonyine. He is there. Isimi yenda aze kujeba mu muteri mu mwete mu buza. Konga kinamanya he's there, he's working, alikora music.
Like